Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I recently watched a stream Paramount Plus on my Samsung TV, and the process was a lot simpler than expected. So if you are trying to get it set up on your Samsung TV too, here is the step-by-step guide to install Paramount Plus on your Samsung TV in just a few minutes. First of all, you need to make sure that your Samsung TV is connected to Wi-Fi and that it is a smart TV from 2017 or later. That's required for the Paramount Plus application to be supported. Now you need to grab your remote and press the home button on your TV and open the smart hub. Then you need to scroll to the app section and use the search icon, and then you need to simply type Paramount Plus. Once it appears in the result, you need to select it and install the application on your device. You can even sign up manually, like you can come on this page, that is paramountplus.com/samsung, and then you will be landed on this page. Over here you need to provide your email address and then click on this submit button, and then you just have to enter that code that is going to link your TV with the browser. Once you are signed in, you will have full access to the live sport, movies, originals, and all of your favorite shows will be on Paramount Plus. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.